everyone, and welcome back to another Fam 2 Cents cooking video. And today's going to be a quickie. We're going to take some of the sauce that we had from the Korean fried chicken that we made, and this time we're going to do some Korean fried shrimp. Now I made quite a bit of the sauce specifically for this reason, because I knew I was going to be able to use it for something else. And here we are. Like I said, this video is going to be very quick, because the only process we're going to go through this time around is actually making the shrimp, which is pretty easy. As far as the dry products are concerned, you're going to have some cornmeal and some flour that you're going to place into a bowl. You're also going to add a little salt, pepper, onion powder, garlic powder directly to the flour to season that, and that's going to be your dry ingredients. As far as the shrimp is concerned, you only need to hit that with a little salt, pepper, and Old Bay, and that'll be sufficient for the shrimp. These are already cooked shrimp. I didn't get raw because I just didn't have it on hand at the time, or I didn't use raw because I didn't have it on hand at the time. And also you'll be able to fry these a lot quicker, and they'll be done, and you won't have to worry about if they're done or not, because they are already cooked. So that works out. As far as the wet ingredients are concerned, you want to put some eggs, hot sauce, and milk into a bowl. The hot sauce is optional. It's just something that I do whenever I bread my seafood. It's just a thing that I kind of picked up on. Completely optional for you. You don't have to, but it is something that I do. So if you want to completely replicate this recipe, then go ahead and do that. Once you do that, you're going to take the shrimp as is and toss it into the dry mixture first, because we're going to do a dry, wet, dry cycle here. And what's going to happen is you sit that shrimp to the side after that first dip into the dry mixture, allow all the moisture inside the shrimp to be absorbed into the flour, and it'll make a nice little coating on there. And then once that's sat for a little while, you're going to allow that to be placed into the wet mixture at this time, back into the flour afterwards, and then allow it to sit to further solidify. And what this does is it creates a nice thick coating on your shrimp. It makes it really good. It's a method that works for me. If you have your own breaded method that you like, then feel free to do that, but this is the way that I do it. And obviously you're going to go ahead and give it a fry. Take the sauce from the Korean barbecue, I guess it's barbecue, Korean sauce that I made before, and toss your shrimp in there, and you're basically good to go. It's really nice whenever you're making these sauces for dishes to make extra for things like this, because you never know if you'll be able to use it again. And of course I planned this ahead of time, but you know, still good to go. And it's that same delicious sauce, that taste that you got with the chicken, but with shrimp this time. And it does actually change the dynamic a little bit. I think I might like the shrimp a little bit better, actually. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to hit that thumbs up and hit that subscribe button. Sorry this video's a little late, but I've had a lot of stuff going on lately, and I'm trying to get back on track. So yeah, let's do that, shall we? Hopefully you guys enjoyed it. I will see you guys on the next one.